If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora Anambra the First. Metal of there is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya,
or pick it up at Joseph's Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Uguta Road, opposite DMGS on the shop. Call 080-3338-2643 or 080-3791-7242.
Go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp
080-6579-6599. So as I was saying, I said if you want to block, you evacuate the water here, you must first of all block the source. So that when you're doing the job, so I believe the traditional rulers, the bad ones, are the source of all this nonsense menace we are experiencing in the society. Before he came on board, it wasn't a pleasant environment for the Anambra. A lot of people goes to Delta State, other states to spend their weekends, enjoy their money. But today, Anambra is becoming a center of attraction.
Yeah.
Light of the nation. Not home for all again. Light of the nation. So I think he has done well. Rome was not built in a day. He's taking everything systematically. Okay. After the launching of SOLUDO'S is a welcome idea. Yeah. Because we can't stay here and allow hoodlums and packets to take over our society. It's not good. So he did a very nice job by doing that. Okay. And I believe with time, now people can drive their cars, do necessary things without fear of further. I believe it has reduced drastically within the society. Before a lot of big men ran away, the Abuja and other areas, they felt are more safe than Anambra. So today, they are enjoying themselves, doing their business without fear of further. Within a little short of time, with what he has done to vet the traditional medicine practitioners and all these things, and getting all these people, you can't just make money without having a source of livelihood. You don't trade, you don't have a shop, you don't do anything. Within a twinkle of an eye, you start driving big vehicles, building mansions, and we don't know the source. What magic is that? Our forefathers didn't do something like that. It took our forefathers about 3 years, 4 years to build forums and parks.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora Anambra the First. Metal of there is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or
pick it up at Joseph's Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Uguta Road, opposite DMGS on the shop. Call 080-3338-2643 or 080-3791-7242.
Go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp
080-6579-6599. Building mansions, and we don't know the source. What magic is that? Our forefathers didn't do something like that. It took our forefathers about 3 years, 4 years to build forums and parks. And you can just now tell me that a boy of 16 years, 18 years will just build a mansion within 1 week and be moving and cruising around with vehicles 20-something million. What source did you get? That is devil money, devilish money.
Yeah.
So we must change the orientation to a positive direction and tell people that there is no shortcut to richness. You must work it out.
Yes.
That is what our forefathers taught us.
Yes.
Now everybody wants to be. Do you know how they started?
Yeah.
That is the view, the perspective. I believe His Excellency is working towards to change the orientation of our people. To know that even the Bible said it, if you don't work, don't eat.
Yes.
So why should you just make money? That money have evil backup, evil foundation. Money is just got within. Change their age bracket. If you don't see people above 35 getting, you see only people between 15 to 25.
Okay.
You know that there is something behind it.
Okay.
So I believe we do well.
Yeah, I think he's changing the narrative when it comes to that. And before now, our society will always embrace people like this. You know, our society will always welcome them, and it also caused artificial inflation for us as a people, in the sense that in some places where Yahoo boys will always stay, there will always be inflation, both in transportation, both in everything, because they are willing to spend anything at a time. And
you may be pricing something 10 naira.
Yeah.
Where you're bargaining, they will come in there. They will say, "Madam, how much?" Once the woman or the man says this, they will count it and give it.
And say, keep the change, sir.
You that suffers to earn your hard-earned money.
Yeah.
We will be bargaining now to suit your pocket.
Yes.
He didn't suffer to get it.
That's the thing.
He just give me what I need, I go. Tomorrow if you see him, he doesn't care what he will do, what he's after is to get the money.
Okay.
And the orientation ought to change. Let's know that there is no shortcut to richness.
Okay.
You work it out.
Okay.
Suffer for it. We started from scratch. I did conductor when it was called guard. I did a kind of job. I did MC, a lot of things before I came to where I am today. There are steps and stages of life. And you must pass through all those experiences in order to know that life is not a bed of roses.
Okay.
It's only grace that brought us together.
Yeah, that's the thing, sir. Anyway, the thing is, in the aspect of, because he's going global, if you look at what he's doing, like he's trying to bring the global culture to us, in the sense that the issue of noise pollution, which was also, misunderstood in some quarters as well. Can you, differentiate between the noise pollution and evangelism so that our people will understand?
Well, on that aspect, I think noise pollution is noise pollution. Whether it's done by a church or people doing their business, all those people selling music,
or in parks.
Noise is noise. Anyway, all those people selling medicine, selling noise is noise. Let's not just push it to the church aspect so that people will start having secrets. The one who has a law is meant for everybody. You don't isolate some people and say this law is not meant for them. Noise is noise everywhere. The whole world. So if there is law that is backing not to have noise pollution, it affects everyone. The law is not meant for some certain people that believe this kind of. So let's not just push sentiment about those things. What we are saying in effect is that if there is law, let everybody abide with it. He's not telling them not to attend church. Go to church, within the church room, do the needful. Don't disturb others. You cannot be doing something on detriment of other people. It's not good. You don't know if the neighboring person very close to that church is having BP or something that doesn't need noise. You put your house speaker and then disturb it. You're trying to get on your government issue with Chineke. It cannot work. Cannot work. Whatever is good ought to be done well. So that is it. He's not even fighting only noise pollution. He is fighting even street training. You can see in my old woman where they call me that way. I've gone there several. I've made an announcement to women with vehicles, went to churches to make the announcement. But they still can't want there. They didn't know we are doing all these things to save their lives. A vehicle may be coming down and fail brake and kill thousands of them.
Like what happened in Abagana?
Yes. So, but when you're driving them out, you see them having a different opinion where they get something to feed their children. Will you feed your children except you trade on the road? That's why you get the money to feed them. If you enter into market, you can't get money to feed them. So we continue to do the right thing.
Okay.
People will stop street trading. It's not good. We are trying to save their life. Noise pollution. Do your business within the limitation of your premises. Don't disturb others. So I think it's right. Our people should learn. He's trying to bring what they see overseas to our people.
Okay.
If you can walk to overseas, walk at Kigali in Africa here. If you go there, everybody is behaving oddly. Why can't he walk in Nigeria or in Anambra State? So we must change our orientation. It must start somewhere. It must start from you and me.
Yeah.
That is the message.
Okay. In wrapping it up now, what message are you going to give to him as he prepares for a second term? Because we have seen this so far. You know, in that same message, you will also like tell our people what to expect in the second term.
If he could work for 3 years now and have the level of transformation we've had in Anambra, if you pass through Anambra, you will see how it's recurring every look at the beautiful airport, the beautiful the beautification they did at airport, along our highways, every look and place, the magnificent flyovers everywhere. If you go around, I believe what we owe him is to give him chance. If you can perform for 3 years, what we've seen on the ground.
Okay.
We will give him second chance. Definitely the promise he made during his first campaign that he will change the Anambra State to Dubai of Taiwan, Africa. He has started and he has done marvelously well.
Okay.
So I believe what we owe him to tell him, to give appreciation for the work he has done is to give him chance to complete his 8 years. And 4 plus 4 is 8.
Yes.
I have to advise others that are warming up to come out to keep their mouth and support him. Let them not just lose their time because the good work he has done will speak for them.
Yeah.
And what we owe him in Anambra is to come out and mass and vote for him and show him appreciation. Because once we do that will now galvanize him to do more for us.
Okay. So finally, your plans and vision for Ogbaru, finally, sir.
I mean, my plans is that when I'm
Okay.
and the orientation will change.
Okay.
We should know how to keep our drainage neat, keep our surroundings neat, tell people that are trading on the road to stop looking say, but once we achieve all those things, I think that and other infrastructure will be happy about that.
Okay. Thank you so much for speaking to us. Thank you, sir.
Very much to say today. One thing that is starting is that who much is given, much is what expected. Ogbaru people have seen the light of solution government. We are so much happy to welcome you to Ogbaru. Now we have. You have sent us water, you are giving us road, you are giving us light, you are giving us water.
Win is whether there will be anyone, and he is assuring that not one polling unit will miss. Is that true? Well, we are not campaigning yet. Campaign will begin in June.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a. Anambra the First. Metal of there is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or
Pick it up at Josephine Bookshop. Book to the Nation, 8 Uguta Road, opposite DMGS on the shop. Call 08033 382643 or 08037917242.
Go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora. For further information on how to get this book, please call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp
08065796599.
Amazu Emekekwe Road. That's part of the 15 kilometers or so of road completed here, and this big slum. We came here 3 years ago, and the biggest slum in the southeast, if not in Nigeria. And 3 years after, I think we can say the difference is the difference clear? Last year I was here, we commissioned a few things. We are back again. This is our 3rd anniversary. 3 years ago today, 18th of March 2022, I came to Oboko. I was sworn in on the 17th. 18th I started work at Oboko. And that vision to turn Oboko from being a slum to new heaven began 3 years ago. And today, Oboko is Oboko turning to new heaven. Oboko turning to new heaven. I think for this one, we cut this tape. The honorable member, through you, the representative of the people, you hold it, Sir E. The tape. And on behalf of the Anambra and the stakeholders, because every Omonna, every village in Anambra, every village, every Omonna in the southeast, and I would dare to say that there is no state in Nigeria whose citizens are not here in Oboko. True or false? Oboko is home for all. And therefore, when we cut this, it's quite auspicious that the Honorable Minister of Health is here with us. We are going to the General Hospital, the first that this place has had since the creation of Adam and Eve, as it were. So it's quite auspicious that the Honorable Minister of Health is here with us. So, to the glory of God, I think we have the Honorable Member representing this zone, and Sir Dr. Emeka Ofo, quintessential, is true Onya Anambra, to cut this step to the glory of God.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora Anambra the First. Metal of there is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or
pick it up at Josin Bookshop, Book to the Nation, 8 Uguta Road, opposite DMGS Onisha. Call 08033382643 or 08037917242.
Go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu a.k.a.Okwuluora. For further information on how to get this book, please call 08039167049 or you WhatsApp 08065796599.